Hello, if you want to check your Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on POCO X7 Pro, then you need to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to go to more connectivity options. And then over here, you should be able to find data usage. If you go over here, first, you probably will find the data usage for your SIM card. You can also see this summary at the top above the list, but you can also tap on this text in order to see the data usage from yesterday, last month, or even this month. In addition to that, of course, the list is sorted based on the data used. If you want to see the Wi-Fi usage, then you want to tap on this icon in the top right corner, and then you can switch to Wi-Fi usage. And there we go. Here we have the list of apps that use the Wi-Fi. And just like before, we can tap on this text in order to switch to previous days or even month. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.